Hi everyone, Adrian here. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to make my favorite Bolognese meat sauce, also known as Ragu Bolognese, and we're going to use venison. I have to warn you all, my version is cream heavy. To start, you'll need 1.5 pound of venison, pancetta, you could substitute that with bacon, some vegetable, 1 onions, 1 carrot, 2 stems of celery. Start with chopping finely everything, the celery, the carrots, the onion, the pancetta, all finely diced. On medium heat, warm up some butter and add a little bit of vegetable oil and start rendering the fat of your pancetta. You want the pancetta to get golden brown and the fat all rendered, and it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. When the pancetta is getting nice colors, crank up the heat to medium high, and add the onion, the carrots, and the 2 celery stems. Here we just want to soften the onion, and it's going to be about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see the sugar at the bottom of the pan will start to lift up. When the onions start to get translucent, it's time to add the venison and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the tomato paste, stir for about 2-3 minutes, and now you can add the wine and reduce the mixture until it's almost completely dry. When dry, it's time to add salt and pepper. Add the stock and let's bring back to a boil. Now the sauce is boiling up again, so we will reduce the heat to low and we will let it simmer for about 3 hours. Yep, 3 hours. This is the key secret here. For that bolognese to work, it has to simmer long and slow. Check it from time to time. You may have to add additional stock. Once it has dried all up again, you can turn off the heat and it's time to add the cream. The amount of cream here is really up to you. It's ready to add body. Me personally, I go for about 1 cup. You can do a little bit less if you want. And that's it. The sauce is ready to serve.